Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome. After you open up your Chrome, next thing you want to do, after you open up your Chrome, click on these three dots right here. Go ahead and click on Settings. Scroll down right here and click on Password Manager. The next thing you need to do is to click on Add Password. Go ahead and enter the site name URL, then enter the username password. So I will click on here now, enter username. Then I'll enter the password right here. Then I'll go ahead and copy the app URL. So I'll go ahead and open up my Play Store. Then I'll click on search right here. I will search for the app. So here is the app right here. For me to get the app link, I need to click on here. Now make sure I click on share. Now I need to click on this icon right here to copy the app URL link. Once we copy, go back to the Google password right here. Then I'll make sure I paste the URL link right here. Once I paste the link, next thing I need to do is to click on Save right here. So from the options right here, scroll down right here and take a look at the app or the website that you had the password right here. Just like what you see right here. Tile security lock pattern. Then here you go. You have the app username and the password right here. It's that simple. This is how to add password to your Chrome browser. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.